Hello dear students, I am a computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know, we are discussing Microsoft Word. In previous part, I told you how to do text editing in MS Word. So today, I will tell you how to do some page layout settings in MS Word. So without wasting any time, let's start. Now as you can see, this is the letter. So now I will tell you how to increase or decrease the lining space in that paragraph. So first you have to select that paragraph, and in paragraph group there is the option of line and spacing. As you can see, there are many options are showing. If I click on 1.0 and if I will click on 2.0, so you can see the difference between them. So you can choose any number as per your requirement for increasing and decreasing the space between each line. There are also some options by which you can increase or decrease the space between the paragraph. At the last, there are two options: add space before paragraph, and second one is remove space after paragraph. So it will increase or decrease the space between the paragraph. You can also change the space according to your need. As you can see, there are option of spacing. So you can manually type a number and you have to click on OK. So according to your type number, it will increase or decrease the space between each paragraph. So now I will tell you how to change some page settings. So to change the page settings, you have to click on layout tab. In layout tab, there is the option of orientation. So there are two showing. I will click on portrait mode. So now our page is in portrait mode. So now as you can see, the data is showing on two pages. So there is the option of size. You can increase the size of your page. So as you can see, now all the data is on single page. So it is a very useful feature. So now as you can see, this is a template, but the template is not fitted on the complete page. So I will click on size option, and at the last more paper size. Now I will choose a manual size for my template. So as you can see, now I will click on OK button. Now it's perfect. So you can also change the size as per your need. So now there is a another option of margin. You can choose any margin like narrow, normal. I will choose narrow. So it will increase or decrease the side space of your page. There is the option of custom margin. You can select any custom margin as per your need. I am going to fill the same margin on all the option like 0.75 in all four boxes. So now you will see the difference. Click OK. So now the space of left, right, up and down are same. So this is a very useful feature by which you can change some layout setting on your document. So now I will told you how to print a document. You just have to click on file tab and print option. So as you can see, at the left side many options are showing, and at the right side it is showing the complete overview of your page. You can zoom in and zoom out your page, and you can select any page if you have more than one pages. You can select the number of copies of per page and then click print. But there are many options also available, so let's discuss about them. First one is printer. If you have more than one printer attached with your computer, now you have to fill the pages. Which page do you want to print? So I will print 1, 3, 4 and 5. So I will write 1 comma 3 to 5. So it will print 1, 3, 4 and 5 number of pages. So now there is another options also available like print one side or print both side. So you can choose any one of them according to your need. So there are some options are also available like collated. portrait orientation, letters, normal margin, etc. So you can choose the margin to narrow, so your data of page will be fit to your complete page. So this is all for printing any document. Now you can simply click on print button, so it will print that document. There is also a option to print any document. Just click on this drop down arrow and there is the option of quick print. If you click on quick print, so it will print all the pages one by one. So I hope these page settings will help you a lot in your computer system. So that is it for today, students. Thank you so much.